Citigroup vs Charles Schwab Bank, which is better? Citigroup and Charles Schwab banks are both prominent financial institutions. They cater to different needs and offer distinct services. And in this video, we're gonna compare the two banks together to see which one is best for you and which one is safer and more focused on your financial needs. So here are the comparisons to help you decide which might be the better for you. Citigroup is a global financial services corporation, also its extensive range of financial products and services. Also, they provide services on a wide range of business, including retail banking, investment banking, wealth management, and credit cards. And the more focus on their clients is to serve each client, individuals, and corporation, both on the government and the institutional worldwide. And their strength, they have a very broad strength, which is from strong global presence, the device financial product, and also they have extensive resources. Now, talking on the Charles Schwab Bank, on the other hand, Charles Schwab Bank is also primarily known for its brokerage and wealth management services. The services provide a variety of financial services, including the brokerage, the mutual fund, the exchange traded fund, the ETFs, the banking, and also the financial advisory services, and also have a wide range of services for their clients, which is to focus on individual investors, and institutional clients. And they also have a level of strength they have within the organization. They are strong in brokerage and wealth management with advanced trading tools and a focus on customer satisfaction. Now, ultimately, the choice between Citigroup and the Charles Schwab Bank depends on the specific financial needs and goals. Like I said, if you're looking for a global bank with a wide range of financial products, Citigroup must be the best or the better choice. On the other hand, if you need a specialized brokerage and the wealth management services, Charles Schwab banks would be a suitable decision for you. So let me know which one is best for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.